In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Telegram app if it keeps on crashing or if it can't open. Now, for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any Android smartphone. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to Settings. And from Settings, look for the option called Apps. And here it is, tap on it to open. Then look for the option called Manage Apps. And this will open up all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now scroll down until you get to Telegram, and mine is here. Tap on it to open it. Now, one of the reasons why your app is misbehaving is because of data that has accumulated that needs to be cleared. So if I go to storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data, and these are user files that are being stored on your app whenever you visit or whenever you browse through this app. Now, the accumulation of them leads to your app malfunctioning. So to clear them, all you need to do is to tap on clear here and then choose the option called clear cache. Then go ahead and tap on OK. Then this will go ahead and clear all the cache that we have on our app. Now from here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then try opening the app. By doing that, it should solve your problem for once and for all. But in case that didn't solve your problem, then you may want to go and look for the Play Store app and then look for the Telegram app. Now here, look for any update if it is available. Then go ahead and update your app to the latest version. Once you have updated, go ahead and open your app and it should work just fine. But should this not solve your problem, then you may want to go ahead and uninstall your app from your phone, then come back to Play Store and download it afresh. So by using any of the three methods, you should be able to troubleshoot your Telegram app. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.